Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Git Diff is a very complicated command for seeing the differences and reviewing the changes in our project. Let's see how it's worked in the easiest way. In the previous lesson, we saw some changes, but they are not very well. Let's open our file. You see, when we open it, it's just a line of code. For example, let's say we add another line of code that say, I like to change my project. For example, this is a change that the manager created here and then saved the project. And then you wake up from the work or you go home last day sooner than the ending of the office and you want to see what changes have been created. You come to the office and just simply write git diff. You see, it's showing us the past file and the new file. And you can see what changes is appeared. And it's very important and very useful for you and you can use it. Also, some of you may think it's have no use. You can also use it on the last comment. But there is when the problem came. You can use it whenever you want. For example, how I say, when you say git log, it shows all the commits that we created. We can review two commits by each other. For example, we can copy this commit and review them and see what is the differences between these two commits and review them. Because of that, Git Diff is important and I want you to learn it. And I also tell you, I'm not teaching these things very good because when we are going to use GitHub, it's going to do this thing for us some way automatically, and we don't need to do this thing by hand lots of time. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Until the next video, if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and ask me if you need anything.